Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Etsy shop email and shipping settings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Etsy shop email and shipping settings, start by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, click on Shop Manager at the top of the page. In the Shop Manager, navigate to Settings on the left-hand sidebar. Select Account from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings, look for the Email section. Here, you can check the email address linked to your Etsy account. Make sure this email address is current and accessible. To verify this email, look for the verification link that Etsy sent you. If you haven't received it, click on Resend Verification Email. After verifying your email, return to the Shop Manager. Next, click on Settings again. This time, select Shipping Settings. In the shipping settings, review your shipping profile. Check that your shipping origin is set correctly. Make sure your shipping costs reflect your actual expenses. Under shipping options, confirm your preferred carriers and service levels. Ensure that the estimated delivery times are accurate. If you offer free shipping, ensure that option is selected and configured correctly. Once you've verified all settings, click Save to apply any changes. You have now successfully verified your email and shipping settings on Etsy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.